will talk about how can you add video prompts on your Hinge app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click here on your photo profile down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here in this sign. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. So then you go down, just keep going down. You come here to video prompt, and here can you select prompt here from your videos here. Can you add it in this list? So just go and select your video you want to add on your video prompt here on your Hang app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.